In this tutorial we will learn the concepts of tags and layers in Unity 3D. In Unity 3D, tags and layers are essential concepts that help you organize and categorize game objects in your scene. Both tags and layers are used to identify and classify objects, but they serve slightly different purposes. Tags and layers are used in Unity 3D for organizational and functional purposes. They provide a way to categorize and identify game objects in your scene, allowing for more efficient and flexible development. Here's a breakdown of why tags and layers are important. Tags. Identification and categorization. Tags help you quickly identify and categorize game objects based on their roles or functionalities. For example, you might use tags like player, enemy, collectible, etc. Scripting and logic. Tags are commonly used in scripts to perform specific actions or checks on game objects with a particular tag. This makes it easier to write code that responds to different types of game objects. Search and selection. In the Unity editor, you can use tags to filter and select specific groups of game objects. This is particularly useful when working with large scenes where you need to focus on specific elements. Layers. Collision detection. Layers are crucial for defining how game objects interact with each other in terms of physics and collision detection. For example, you might have different layers for player, enemy, and obstacle to control which objects can collide with each other. Raycasting and physics queries. When performing raycasting or other physics queries in your game, layers help you filter the objects that should be considered in those operations. This allows for efficient and targeted physics simulations. Camera rendering. Layers are used to control the visibility of game objects for specific cameras. This is useful when you want certain objects to be visible to one camera but not to another, enabling complex rendering setups. Optimization. By carefully assigning layers, you can optimize the performance of your game. For instance, you can set up layers for objects that are not meant to interact with each other, reducing unnecessary physics calculations. In summary, both tags and layers in Unity provide a way to organize your game objects and streamline various aspects of development, including scripting, physics, and rendering. They contribute to a cleaner and more manageable project structure, making it easier for developers to work with and maintain the codebase. How to use tags. Assigning tags. You can assign a tag to a GameObject in the Unity editor. Select the GameObject, go to the inspector window, and find the tag field. Choose an existing tag from the list or create a new one by clicking on Add Tag. And then typing the new tag name. Using tags in script. In your scripts, you can use the GameObject.compareTag method to check if a GameObject has a specific tag. Please subscribe, like, comment and share my channel to support me. Thanks for watching.